Welcome back to our Wednesday Affiliate Marketing FAQ series. My name is Mike Chanda, the owner of the wifiacademy.com, and today I'm diving into a topic that often confuses many people. How is affiliate marketing different from network marketing? If you have ever wondered about this, you are in the right place. Stick around until the end. I will tell you how you can join my free 7 affiliate marketing bootcamp to learn step by step how to make money with affiliate marketing and earn commissions. Let's start with affiliate marketing. In the simple terms, affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's product, and when people buy it to your special affiliate links, you earn a commission. Here is how it works. Find something you like and want to recommend. The company gives you a unique link to track your referrals. Share your link on your blog, social media, YouTube channel, and email list. When someone buys through your links, you get paid. It is pretty straightforward. You don't need to buy any inventory, endless shipment, or deal with customer service. Your main job is to share your links and promote the product. Now let's talk about network marketing, which is also known as a multi-level marketing or MLM. Network marketing involves selling products directly to the consumer, but there is a twist. Just like affiliate marketing, you sell products. This is where it gets different. You need to recruit other people to join the business under you. The people you recruit become your team, and you earn commission not only from your sales, but also from your team's sales. As your team grows and sell more, you move up in the rank and earn higher commission and bonuses. It sounds great in theory, but the reality, network marketing can be pretty tough. You often have to buy inventory upfront, which can be expensive. Plus, recruiting people can be really challenging and time consuming. Let's break down the key difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing. Affiliate marketing, you earn commission based on the sale through your affiliate links. Network marketing, you earn commission from your sales and the percentage of your recruit sales. Affiliate marketing, no recruitment is needed, just focus on promoting products. Network marketing, recruiting is a part of the job. You need to constantly find new people to join your team for you to make money. Affiliate marketing, simple and clear. You get paid for the sale you make. Network marketing, more complicated. You earn from your sales and your team sales, which can be confusing and inconsistent. Affiliate marketing, no need to handle physical product, just drive traffic to your link. Network marketing often require you to buy and store product, which can be risky if you don't sell them. While network marketing promises big earnings, the reality is that many people struggle to make it work. The constant need to recruit can be exhausting, and managing inventory adds extra stress. Affiliate marketing and network marketing might be similar at the first, but they are quite different. Affiliate marketing is more straightforward without the need for recruiting or handling products. If you are looking for a simpler way to make money online, affiliate marketing is the way to go. And if you are interested in learning how to get started, I have got something special for you. Sign up for my free 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp, where I will teach you step by step how to make money with affiliate marketing. You will learn everything from choosing the right product to promoting them effectively and maximizing your commission. Click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out an update. See you in the next video.